Well, now, I tried calling at Worx. Of course, I was on hold for about half an hour, so I give up. So I just did this. I put this piece in there, a couple holes. I punched this with a center punch first. I drove a hole through it, and then I finished drilling it, and it was okay. A couple lock nuts on the back. This is pretty good. I think this will never fall off, so it'll never fall out of there. And it almost has to cut. I sharpened it with a file a little bit on the end. Maybe I should get rid of this little point in case it hits me or something somehow. You know what I mean? Let me get a file and do that. A good file. Whatever. Anyway, we'll see how this works. Okay. All right. I'm gonna pause. Okay, there. I did a little cutting with it, and it looks like it works fine. Cut it off. Cuts this off right at where it's supposed to. It ain't never gonna fall out of there. And if it does wear down, which I doubt, about a quarter of an inch has to wear off of there. You could always drill some more holes and bring it out more. Okay, so maybe that's what Worx ought to be putting on them, something like that, where you can't lose it. Okay, that's it. Good.